Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video, we will learn about binary search. So this popular search technique searches the given item or key in minimum possible way. So the only condition to use this search is the array should be in sorted form. It doesn't matter it is in ascending order or descending order. So if we want to search the item in sorted array, the item is compared with the middle element of the segment. If the item is more than the middle element, latter part of the segment becomes new segment to be scanned. If the item is less than the middle element, former part of the segment becomes new segment. So this process is repeated for the new segments until either the item is found or the segment is reduced to the single element and still the item is not found. This works till the first element or the last element of the array. So let's clear the picture by showing this image to you guys. So let's say in this given array, we need to find out the 44. Where is the 44? So what we do, we will try to find out the middle value of this array. How we gonna find out? There is a formula which is mid equals to low plus high divided by 2. In this way, we'll find out the middle element. So low is gonna be 0 plus 8 divided by 4, then it's gonna be 4, which is this 38. So now we need to see 38 is lesser than or greater than the key which we need to find out. As we can see, 38 is less than the key which we are trying to find out. Then our lower element, this low key, now shifted to the middle plus 1 element here at the 5th index, and higher would be here. If this is small, then our higher becomes middle minus 1. So if you get this point by seeing this image, it's okay, it's very good. If you don't, then let's see by doing code or example. So without wasting any time, let's jump into our example. So let's say we have this array given, and now we will ask user to give us an input or any number which need to be find out. So let's say let's use a scanner class. Scanner s equals to new scanner. As we are asking for console, then system dot in. Now I will type, please enter the element which you need to find in given array. Let's say. And after that, sc.next int and sc.close after that. Okay, so now user will give the input, and then we will try to find out that element in this given array. Now for that we need to create a method. So in our case, I'm gonna create a method named, let's say, binary search. First of all, we need an array. So let's pass array here. Then we need a key which user gonna pass it. So let's say int key. We need lower and upper bound. Like lower bound, when I'm saying it is lower value which is 5 and upper value which is 9. Okay, so now everything looks good. Let's put the return type here and little bit space. Now what we need to do, we need to check our lower value is lesser than or equal to the higher element. So if we want to work with the array should at least contain one element to be scanned. So we need to at least check out like if there is a single element in given arrays. While low is greater than equal to high, then we'll apply our method inside it. So now we have checked like at least there should be an element inside the array. What we do right now, we will find out the middle of the array, which is mid equals to low plus high divided by 2. Now we'll check if array, the mid element of an array equals to the key. If we find out our element is on the middle, then what we need to do? Return it. just return the mid. That's it. So after, if the key is equal to the mid of element, then we will return the mid. Then if this is not the scenario, then what we will do, else if array of mid smaller than the value which is key, then what we need to do, if this is smaller than the value which is right, because we are trying to find out 44, then our lower will shift from 5 to mid plus 1. So low equals to mid plus 1. And in else part, this is not the case, then high equals to mid minus 1. All look good here till now. We will return minus 1 here. Okay. So now we are ready with our method, and let's call it in a main method now. So let's say binary search array. Let's give an array. Now keys is gonna be, let's put it this element into int key. Okay, so let's say key here, and our first element is gonna be the 0, and last element, let's put it like int last equals to array dot length. Make sense? And that's it. And let's say return type equals to, let's say result. Now we will check if result returns minus 1. That simply means the value with the key which we are trying to find out, it's not present in given array. If we will check condition if result equals to minus 1, system.out.println element or slash key, whatever you want to call, is not present in given array. Please type the correct value, else your element found at index result. Okay, it's clear now. So let's run it and test it if this code is working fine or not. Enter an array, let's say 44. So it says array out of bound. Array is the max limit, which is here. Let's put it here, minus 1. That's the correct way. Sorry, let's do it again. 44. Sorry guys, a little bit of correction here. I just passed it this wrong. The middle formula is high minus low. And let's test it now. 44. Your element found at index 5, which is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so let's run it again and pass it like 65, which is not present in array. Your element key is not present in given array. Please type the correct value. So guys, this is the first way, and there is another way, very shortcut way, which we can also use, which is like arrays gives us a function which is binary search. So let's try that also. So I'm gonna create a new class. Let's call it binary search 2. So let's create a main method first, which is main, and I'm gonna copy the array and this thing from here. Let's say this one from here, copy here, and we don't need last here. Arrays dot binary search. So we need to pass two things here. First is array and second thing is key. Let's pass it array, and key value is gonna be key, and let's save result of this in results equals to this one. So if results is greater than 0, That simply means that element is not present in given array. Else we will type it element is at index results. So let's try it. Let's type some number which is not present in this array, in this case 234, because our index should be returned for the results. Let's type 90. We have already here, so it says index 9. So I think this code is working pretty fine. And
guys, let me know your suggestions or any kind of questions in comment down below. And thank you guys for watching this video, and like, share and subscribe this channel for videos like this. Bye.